Many young people today come with a love for music but may not be aware of the many professional careers they can embark on in the creative arts industry. Go Beyond Greatness, in partnership with Ulster County Youth Borough's Brighter Future Initiatives program, teamed up with the local music studio Dyneepro Entertainment of Kingston, New York.
My name is Lester Moreau. Stage name is Let One, a president and co-founder of Dyneepro Entertainment.
How they did, Joy's voice was really messed up. Corner in the air, gotta get your mask up.
Dyneepro Entertainment President Lester Monroe shares that musicians are just one of the moving parts that help a music business run. If you're looking for a career in music, it may be best to explore the variety of job skills required to run a music production studio.
We help artists get established and move to the next level. We come with over 30 plus years of music experience between myself and our producer, Justo on the beat, and our marketing manager, Romero.
Of course, that's a very simple logo, but when everybody sees it, they recognize it.
Did you like the studio?
Of course I like the studio.
Tira que me quiere ver. Le llego en el porche, tú sabes cómo es. Aquí no se frontea, esto es otro nivel. Todo lo que tú no haces, yo lo sé hacer.